just showing you guys how I do my puff when I don't really feel like having my hair down. And if y'all hear some noise in the background, it's the game. So I usually take my bonnet off, and I always use it, like, put it in 3 sections because my hair's not that long to do the whole pineapple thing. So yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. So, and if I sound bad, it's because my throat just not right, so don't pay attention to it. So fluff it out, flip it out, which is really not that bad. I can probably keep it out and big, but I don't feel like it because the wind will be blowing, might be raining, and I just don't have time. So get some coconut oil for my edges and to moisturize my hair. Just give out that much, and I warm it in my hands like so. And just I'm mostly focused on my edges because we don't need them thinning out. Gotta keep your edges a little bit more. And I know some people talk about how they don't like coconut oil because it's too heavy, it's this and it's that. I don't care. I use coconut oil. Now I would like to use jojoba oil sooner or later. Sometimes I use just plain raw shea butter, but I ran out and I ain't got no more, so we're not gonna talk about that. Alright. Then, oh yeah, I do have one. Put my hair up to the front as much as I can. Try to shape it. Then I spray a little water, just a little bit, around like the perimeter, just to add a little moisture. Oh, my ring is stuck in my hair. Okay. And I use this for my edges when I don't have Eco Styler gel because it's just better to use for me. And I know some people talk about how they don't like Eco Styler gel anymore. It's canceled because they had something in it. I don't even know. But it works for me, so that's what I use most of the time. I haven't tried the new ones yet, but I'm scared because of the reviews. But I might try the black castor oil one soon. But I usually use the Organon one, the yellow one with the red top. That's the one I usually use. Alright, and I have my hand dandy brush. And brush all this up. I'm gonna grab this and I double it to make it tighter. It's not too tight, but tight enough because I just like mine tight. And then I push it up in the back, and then I push it up in the front. And then I just get my pick and I fluff to my liking. When my hair was shorter, my puffs wouldn't, you see how this fold over? It wouldn't do that. So it's kind of annoying now that it does that, but you know, what can we do? It's growth, right? Right. And that is it. Okay, so at night, what I do to protect my edges and my puff is I get some more coconut oil and melt it in my hands and put it in my puff. And then the extra that I have, I just put on my edges. Gotta protect the edges at all times. I just put this thing on. Cheetah thing. I don't know what you call it. Scarf. Yeah. And then I just go to sleep. We sleep with a satin pillowcase, so I don't really need to do anything with my butt. But that's it.